What is up everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix screen rotation not working in Narzo 70 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings, go back and open Play Store. Now search here sensor test. So firstly install this sensor test app. After install this app, then search here accelerometer test and install this accelerometer test app. After install these apps, then go back to your home screen and open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.